Hello everyone, and welcome to a very special Valentine's Day edition of Just Boo It, the self-improvement series. You know, when you're an adult, you have to continue to teach yourself things like learning new languages or learning good mechanical skills with your hands. That's why I have ventured in to the woodworking shop of my beloved Per Carlson.
Hi there.
Come in.
Okay. So.
Today, Per is going to teach me and you how to turn this piece of apple wood, apple?
Yeah, apple.
Piece of apple wood into
I'm out.
this. An egg cup. We chose to do an egg cup so that it was cute enough and small enough, but simple enough for our marriage not to go wrong.
Yeah.
For there not to be a rift in our marriage from making them. So, Per, I leave it to you to teach me how to do this wood turny thing.
Okay, so you're actually putting a cutting tool towards something that turns. And you have, for your help, you have a tool rest, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Where you're going to put the tool, for example, this sharp tool, against the piece of wood. And when you do that, you're going to use the bevel on the tool. There's a bevel here that you're going to put against the wood. And then, when you decide you want to cut, then you just lever it into the wood so it starts to cut. Need some training, so we're going to do that. And we cut.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is fun.
It looks pretty easy.
Yeah, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hang on, you have to just put it on there and I'll turn it manually to the beginning. So, the thing is you needed the support against your hand against this support, yeah? That's way too sharp, look, it goes. There you have the bevel. So you can start by just putting the bevel on and now, you see, doesn't cut. Then you raise this hand until it starts cutting. No, with the tool. Good work, love. Then you start raising it. There you go.
Yeah.
Then you can lift up and angle it 45 degrees normally. And then you move towards me.
No.
You start like this and you want to go like straight into it. But then you're scraping and this edge gets dull right away. This edge gets dull when you do like that. So, center two. We made a little mistake.
Oh my god!
I made a little mistake.
Oh my god! Never quite made it to an egg cup.
But it made it to a finger cup.
Yeah. It's really amazing though, sweetie. It's like really smooth on the outside.
Yeah, that's the skew chisel. When you get
The
that one.
skew chisel?
Yeah, when you get that one going, it's like so smooth.
It's really nice.
But it's difficult to control though.
It's difficult to control?
Yeah.
Is it one of the hardest tools to control?
Yeah, turning tools, yeah.
And I'm one of the hardest women to control.
I agree on that. You might fuck it up. But we love living on the edge, don't we?
We do love living on the edge.
Look at that. It's with what you Americans call, Englishmen and Americans call boiled linseed oil, and in Swedish we call it cooked linolja. Yes.
A little bit of language lessons.
Language lessons, so.
I bet that smells good.
I love it. Maybe not this, but the wood together with the linseed oil smells good.
Ooh.
Yeah. This wood is like gonna go so much darker once the sun is on it.
Here comes the sun, a little egg cup. Here comes the sun, a little egg cup, and I feel it's alright. I'm having breakfast in the sunlight. I can't wait to have my egg in there.
Yeah. Oops, what? Sounded weird. Swedish
organic eggs. The egg cups will only hold organic.
Let's see if it works. Will it work? That is upside down.
It's upside down!
There you go.
Oh, it's beautiful!
Show it for the camera. I think the colors are nice in that. We shaped it with our... we didn't plan too much about it, but we actually shaped it.
Yeah, it should be. It was... Yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened. Well, I learned a new skill.
Yes, you did.
I learned how to watch my husband make an egg cup.
No, you did.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day, my love. Yes.
This is beautiful. Oh, is this filming?
No, ain't. Maybe a little bit.